Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the Aussie yen last week failed at the 104.55 daily resistance level. This week will we further retest, hold and move back down the range and come down to retest the 102.82 monthly support level and day support level at 102.60. Now of course we could break higher, but strong resistance up here at the top, or we fail at the 104.55 level to move back down the range. Now the Aussie dollar remains range bound, but sold off from resistance down to support. Will support, hold or break. So at the start of the week watch 65.90 to 65.75. Does this hold or do we break, become resistance for a move lower? So if 65.90 holds intraday on any test, expect price to move back up the range to retest 66.79. Now the euro yen remains range bound. Failed once more at monthly resistance 169.95 last week, back down to day support. Firstly, does day support hold on a retest to move back up to 169.95 this week, then hold, or do we break, retest, become resistance for a move lower? So the key level to watch is 168.100. Can that hold as support this week or become resistance? Now the euro dollar traded down last week, down to weekly support 106.94. At the start of the week, do we bounce here to trade back up to 107.23 daily resistance, hold for a further move down this week? Can we trade down this week to 106.49 and even continue the decline to test 105.99 weekly support? Now the pound yen outside reversal down Friday, failed at resistance at the start of the week. Will we retest 200.50, hold for a move back down the range to test day support at 197.19? Are we having a hard fail here for a move back down the range? Now the pound dollar heavily traded down Thursday, Friday last week, broke below some levels of day support, just holding in the short term at 126.75. Will we get a bounce here back to 127.09 weekly resistance, then hold and further follow through to the downside? Long term, are we coming down to test 122.99 weekly support? We may well see a long-term decline over the coming weeks. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.